So WeatherWeld is unique in the sense that 2-foot-long fiberglass strands sprayed through a spray gun to build a 1/2-inch thick membrane that makes your roof seamless.
How heavy is that membrane?
1.5 pounds a foot.
Oh,
So
wow.
your average built-up roof, if you have a 4-ply built-up roof, which is one of these, on average is right around between 1.8 and 2.2 pounds. Let's just say nominally 2 pounds. Okay. Let's take 1.5 pounds of WeatherWeld and put it on top of it. Now I have at maximum I have 3.5 pounds. Okay. Your lowest deck load is a portable classroom of a plywood deck that's got a roughly a 10 to 12 pound dead load with a little bit less of a live load. Okay, so I can roof your portable classroom 2.5 more times without having to do it. And then I'm dual classified because I'm spray applied. I'm considered a roof system with a base sheet, and the same thing installed over your existing roof is considered a Title 24 coating, which means that you can go over your existing roofs without removing them. Now, we're gonna go out and do a whole bunch of destructive testing on it, write you a roof report and do the due diligence, because I'm not going over any roof that you have that's got more than one roof on it.
Oh, gotcha, okay.
Okay, because we're not gonna create a sandwich and we're not gonna trap water. And I'm not gonna take what we've been doing since 1992 and destroy it and have a customer that's got water trapped between his roofs.